thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 3 and 5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Pasadena, Northwestern Baytown, Deer Park, South Houston, Channelview, Highlands, Cloverleaf, Barrett, Northern Clear Lake, Northeastern Southbound Ellington, Greater Hobby Area, Gulf Coast, or Belfast, San Jacinto State Park,
Not again.
Houston Ship Channel, Ellington Field, Meadowbrook, or Allendale and Edgebrook area. This includes the following low water crossings: General Red Bluff Road at Armand-Bale, Woodford Street at Carpenter's Bale, Garth Road at Goose Creek East Fork, Avalon Wilson Park Road at Barry Bale, Market Street at tributary of Carpenter's Bale, West 13th St. Green Shadow Drive and Bridge, 134 Independence Parkway at Lynchburg Ferry and Edgebrook Drive. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Stay away or be swept away. River banks and culverts can become